Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. I just want to show you the August to December mini catalog. You know December 8th starts our big end of year sale closeout. That's because a lot of things in the mini catalog are retiring and going away after January 4th. This catalog is only good until January 4th, so I just wanted to point some things out and point some things that are on sale that you really will want to get right away because of the sale. We'll just go here. The Joy of Sharing Christmas Cards kit is going to be 30% off. Now, the tag buffet, 30 tags, it's going to be 50% off, so that's $15, and you don't have to buy the tag buffet stamp set. You can use your own stamp set with it. Oh, one of the biggest things, and I know I'm going to order a couple more of these, is the Christmas Countdown Kit, 50% off. Remember, this starts December 8th at midnight Mountain Time. The Most Wonderful Perfect Medley is 20% off, along with 20% off the refill kit. Heartwarming Hugs is retiring, but some of the things are carrying over, like the mini coffee cups. But the mini coffee carriers are on sale for 50% off. So for $250, you can get 8 craft carriers and decorate them. I think that one's going to go, probably before you even see this, those are going to be gone. Then the Wrapped in Texture embossing folders for the mini, the half embossing folders, they're 50% off, and so are the glitter ornaments and the Real Red braided linen trim. That's on my list. I love that. Okay, Warm Hugs is retiring, but the Warm Hug wrapper die is going to be in the new annual catalog. Retiring, gift wrap, the gift bow, they are both retiring, 20% off the punch. The Dove of Hope is retiring, 10% off the dies. Poinsettia Place, all the suites are retiring and all the bundles retire. Some of the things, though, will go in separately. But the plush poinsettia specialty paper is going to be 50% off. So time to get that. And so is the beaded pearls, 50% off, with 30% off the poinsettia designer series paper. These are both of the bundle is retiring, but both of these will be in the annual catalog, both the dies and the poinsettia stamp set. 50% off the nativity dies. Okay, most of this stuff is retiring, so I want to go fast. I want to highlight some of the things. The Gleaming Ornament Punches are 50% off. Brightly Gleaming Specialty Paper, 50% off. We've got the Fireside, 30% off the Fireside dies. Now, the Sweetest Time, 30% off the Sweetest Borders. You do not need this stamp set. Grab those dies, 30% off. The Tree Angle's retiring. The Gnome is retiring, and Don't Stop Believing is retiring. The Trimming, the Town Suite, 50% off all the trimming embellishment and 50% off all the trimming ribbon combo. I already used up all my Real Red, so I think I'll get some of this because Real Red can go for anything. The Coming Home, that is retiring, and so is the Coming Home dies. I really think you should get this. It is great for all times of the year. Okay, the Merry Moose is retiring, and so is the Merry Moose Punch. Okay, and we have the Yuletide is retiring. The Jingle Bells are retiring, and they're 50% off the sale. Christmas Means More. The felt sheets are retiring, but they're 50% off, and so are the Snowflake Adhesive Back embellishments. I'm going to get some more of these at $3 to get 2 sheets. That's perfect. And they don't really look like snowflakes, so you can use them all year round. Okay, the Wonder of the Season. The Wonder of the Season Specialty Designer Series paper, 50% off. We've got the Wonder card. The Memories and More card pack is 50% off, and so is the ribbon combo. Now, the Wonderful Gems is going over to the next July, December mini catalog. 30% off of the Memories and More cards and envelopes. Now, the Wishes and the North Pole Wonder dies, 30% off. 20% off the Sounds of the Season. We've got 30% off Tool Tidings Designer Series paper, one of the best papers, I think. These are going, the Evergreen is going into the annual catalog, and the Saying for Unto Us is going into the mini. The Snowflake Designer Series paper, 20% off, but 50% off the Winter Snow Embossing Folder. I'd get that. I've used that so much. And so 50% off the Splendor Mini Ribbon. And this one, the blue adhesives are going into the annual catalog. But Balmy Blue Glimmer paper, stock up, 50% off. So for $2.50, you can get the Balmy Blue glitter paper. You gotta have it. These are both going into the bundle is retiring, but the Snowflake Wishes and their dies are going into the next annual catalog. The Snow Wonder, which I love, is going into the mini, and so is the Snow Time dies. So no big deal there. Oh, if you love to decorate your envelopes, the envelope die is retiring, but they're 40% off starting on the 8th. We've got the Feels Like Frost 6x6 Designer Series paper, 50% off. Those are the ones that looks just like photographs, just beautiful, just beautiful. In the Pines is retiring, and the Pinewoods die is 30% off. The Gilded Autumn, the Brush Metallic is going to be in the mini next fall, but the ribbon is 50% off, and so is the Acorn Trinkets. We've got 20% off the Autumn Punch Pack. We've got 50% off the Gathered Leaves die. Those you can use separately. They really don't need to be with the stamp set. You got the Autumn Goodness and the Autumn Wheelbarrow dies, 30% off the dies. These will both be in the annual catalog, the Loves of Leaves. We've got 40% off Autumn Essentials, and the Autumn Greetings is retiring. The Life is Beautiful stamp set is retiring, and so is the gold cards and envelopes. They're not on sale, but they're beautiful. You should get some. Okay, now here. The Iridescent Pearls are retiring, 50% off, and let me tell you, they're not Halloween. Just get them. I'm glad this metallic mesh ribbon is going into the annual catalog. 30% off the Spider Web and 40% off the Magic in This Night. We've got 30% off the Halloween Magic dies. Rectangle dies, rectangle tins, 30% off. I think these are going to go really fast, so get them now. I would get up at midnight Mountain Time and put your order in. The embroidered ribbon is 50% off. Now here is something. If you don't have any label, nesting label dies, the Celebration label dies are going to be 50% off. These are great. They're stitched around inside and outside, so you can use both the blank and both of the piece that you cut around it as that. It's just beautiful. You don't need the stamp set with it, just get that. The Flight of Fancy is retiring. The turnovers are retiring. The gusseted cellophane bags are retiring and 20% off, and the turnovers are 20% off that stamp set. I think that's the only stamp set that they're discounting. The Everything Essential is retiring, but the Essential Tag Punch is going to be in the annual catalog. Oh, now Have a Hoot is retiring, and Pick-a-Hoot dies are 40% off. You need these. You just do. Red velvet paper is carrying over. The Festive Post is retiring. The Lots to Celebrate, another one of the jar ones, are retiring, and the Snowflake Sequins are 50% off, $3 for them. Those are going to be in the annual catalog. The Corners, Festive Corners, are retiring. The Menagerie Mix-Up, 40% off the Menagerie dies. But if you got kids, these, you really need these, so you can make, you know, really cute cards. But they're really great. Kids like them to put them together. You just cut them all out, different ones, different colors and everything, and they can use them like we used to do in paper dolls. 30% off the round tins. Press On is retiring. Freezing Fun is retiring. Freezing Friends dies are 30% off. And the little treat boxes are 30% off, and they're both retiring. And that is it. So remember, this starts December 8th at midnight Mountain Time. Get your order in fast, especially for the things that, like the mini holder, coffee cup holders, the tins, some of the Designer Series paper, all of that is with 50% off. You really need to look at that. Anyhow, thanks for visiting. Follow me on YouTube, and to shop with me, just look below. Thanks. Bye-bye.